Today we're making crispy Medu Vada, South Indian style. Soak urd dal for 4 hours, wash and grind it to a smooth, thick batter. Just sprinkle water, don't pour. Add chopped onions, curry leaves, ginger, green chilies, and salt. Mix it all well. Heat oil in a kadaih and fry the vadas on medium flame till golden brown. Serve hot with coconut chutney, delicious. If you liked this, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.